What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man. And we back with another video for y'all. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Hit that post notification bell so we can keep running these numbers up, man. So y'all can see we back up here at the shop again. Need to get some fish in these fish tank, man. I keep telling myself that. I had this spot for 2 years and still ain't put no fish in there. We're gonna get to it though. But yeah, we back. It's Thursday. It's another cold, gloomy day out there, man. No sunshine. It's been raining all morning. So ready for the summertime to come. This phone always ringing. You gonna have to call me back. But today, man, we're gonna be showing y'all how to sell a car on the auction, man. I done had this Lexus right here for about, let me show y'all. Had this Lexus right here for about 6-7 months now. I bought it for myself to drive. I think I listed it for sale probably about 2 months ago. I had a bunch of people biting on it, a bunch of inquiries on it, but I had a bunch of people trying to lowball me too, man. Ain't nobody came with that cash. Had a couple people try to get financed, but they couldn't get approved. So I don't know if people just ain't got their taxes back yet. I don't know if it's just a too expensive car for people, but I'm about ready to sell it so I can get something else. You know, I like cars and I get bored with cars pretty quick. This is my favorite car though, this LS460. This is the best driving car that I never had, for real. Comfortable. It's a good daily vehicle for sure. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sell a car on the auction. We're probably gonna take it up to Mannheim. Come back in here because it's cold. Probably take it up there to Mannheim and sell it at the Mannheim auction. Could have took it to the Value Auto auction, but that one like an hour away. I don't feel like taking it all the way out there, waiting on somebody to get it shipped out there. So we're gonna do the Mannheim auction. I'm gonna take this mug. We're gonna be taking the wheels off, putting the factory wheels back on. And I'll probably pull it in here and detail it as well and get it ready to go. Definitely keeping them rims. I bought them rims new, so probably keep those, either sell them or put them on something else. I'm gonna also take y'all in the office and show y'all what the Kelly Blue Book is on the car, what the Carfax value is on the car. I'm gonna show y'all the Carfax. I'm gonna show y'all the MMR values of what those cars are going for at the auction, and we're gonna see what we get out of it, man. Probably end up putting a reserve on it still, because I at least got to get my money back. So we're gonna see how all that go. Let's go in here and open this garage and go ahead and pull her in. So y'all can see I got all kind of stuff back here. Got the factory wheels right here. I gotta remember which one go where. I remember I marked them. Hopefully the marks are still on here. Lug nuts. There go the factory wheels right here. Alloys. What is these? 19s. Let me put them back on there. Let's open this garage up. And we're gonna get her pulled in for y'all.
There would be so much shit for no reason.
Got her pulled in, y'all. About to take these wheels off, and damn, she look good. It's time to put the factories back on. I think I pulled up too far. I might have to back up a little bit. Said what? We're putting the wheels back on, selling it. Get something else. You sick of my shit?
I like
You like it? I like it too, man. I don't want to sell it.
I would.
But we got the Hellcat now. It's time to get something else. You said what? Nah, you definitely ain't always got to be going fast. Sometimes it's about that nice smooth ride. But it's time to upgrade, you know. Time to upgrade, y'all. Something better. Bringing something better for everybody to see, man. Another project. I had fun with this one. I just had a Lexus like this just before this one. Another LS460, the older model. Then I upgraded to this one. Now it's time to upgrade to that 500 or something. I think they want like 50, 60 for one of them 500s though. We're gonna figure something out, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all once we get these wheels off. Alright, y'all, we got the old wheels on. We're about to do one last little snug down. Make sure these wheels don't fall off. I always do the extra little snug down that way. See, fooling what you doing, boy, the wheel be done fell off, man. You an outlaw. Talking about they straight. These motherfuckers.
Sometimes you gotta live on the edge, alright, bud?
Nah, hell nah. Hell to the no. That one's tight. Except for one. That one ain't tight.
Look, bud, half-inch gun, couple of ugga-duggas, we're going home.
Bam, let's get her pulled out.
She still don't look bad with the stock wheels on her. Don't look bad at all.
Bam, she's still pretty. But it's something about them wheels, man. Them wheels be transforming cars. She's still pretty though. She just need a good wash. A good bath. I just washed it, but it keep raining. But yeah, she still look good. We're gonna wash her up and get her ready to go to the auction. Now let's go in here and look at these values on the car. Alright fam, we got the Carfax pulled up for the Lexus. As you can see here, history events affecting this vehicle's value. No accidents, good service record. It's been a personal vehicle, and it's certified pre-owned. Let's say the retail value is $24,590, and this is just all the service records that's been done to it. We click here, we got Kelly Blue Book. Let's see here, 154,000 miles, 2013 Lexus. Fair market value 20,000 to 24,000, and the typical listing price is 22,300. So that's the Kelly Blue Book. And then we got the MMR too somewhere. Where's the MMR at? There's the MMR right there. We got the MMR. The MMR is basically the average sale price right now at the auction. So got everything here. We need to put the 154 miles in here. It's probably blurry. I need to get a better camera, y'all, for zooming in. Midwest, I would say it's at least a 3.5 grade out of 5, and it's black. Actually, let's give it a 3.8. So the base MMR is 24,800. The adjusted MMR is 18,000. And the typical range is 18 to 31,000. So then we go down here to show us some similar models that was just sold. We had one with 167,000 miles sold for 16. Then we had one with 107,000 miles sold for 23,600. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. There's another one on here that sold for 30. Estimated retail value. So they estimate it's worth 22,000 retail. So if you was to list this car, you should list it for 22,000. So we're gonna shoot this thing over to the auction, man. We're gonna see what it's go for, and I'm tune back in to update y'all and let y'all know what it sells for. All right, y'all. I know y'all wondering what the hell going on. Got the wheels back on the Lexus, man. Change of plans. I was gonna sell it at the auction, but I had a buyer for it, so I was supposed to sell it to them, but they fell through. So I didn't send it to the auction that week. Then I was gonna send it to the auction the next week. I was just busy. Now I got a whole better idea for the whip now, man, because I really don't want to see her go. You know what I'm saying? She looks so good. So what we gonna do is, man, Pop's whip just got totaled in the hailstorm, so he ain't got no daily right now. So what we gonna do is man, we gonna bless Pops, but we gonna let Pops get it, man. That way we keep it in the family, you know what I'm saying? Keep it around. I already know he like it. Yeah, his car got totaled in the hailstorm. So yeah, he about to be pulling up here in a second. We're gonna get his reaction and see how he react, man. He about to be driving off in the Lexus, man. Big Lex, LS 460. You know how we do up here at Allen's Auto Sales. Y'all know what's going on. All right, y'all, he just pulled up. I know he wondering what's going on. Otto. You got that car ready?
Yeah, man.
Toro?
Yeah, it's already ready.
You said what? Oh, nothing much. Out here fooling with this car.
So y'all put the wheels back on it?
Yeah.
What you about to do with that?
Shit. What you think we about to do with it?
Shit, I don't know.
Supposed to be selling her, man. I don't want to see her go. Your car got fucked up in the hailstorm, so shit, it's you.
For real?
For real, it's you.
Oh shit, Otto, you playing?
He ain't playing.
Huh?
Serious.
You serious?
Dead serious. New daily.
Black on black crime, baby. Black on black crime.
You just need a good wash. A good wash.
For real?
For real.
Oh!
I know you've been eyeing it already.
Oh!
He said, ooh.
Oh! Oh! LS 460?
Yeah, 460.
Oh! It's on right here. It's on. Hard work pays off.
LS 460, big body.
Hard work pays off,
Up here
baby.
at y'all know where we at, man.
Hard work pays off. Man, I'm too geek, dog. I'm too geek for real, y'all. This right here is it's a blessing. Real life blessing.
And then my dog Otto up next, man.
Otto up next.
My dog Otto up next, man. He coming up next. I done got Otto approved, man. He approved. He got the green light. We just gotta find him something now.
Oh. Appreciate this, man.
No problem.
You know what I'm saying? I appreciate this, man. This is what I needed right here, man.
Oh yeah,
Did good, man. Y'all boys was once in my ball sack, but now they out. Looking out for pops. It was in my ball sack. Now they looking out for pops.
See the cat over there? Yeah, we gonna still do an auction video, man. Selling a car at auction. We just gotta do it with a different car, man. We gonna figure it out. But man, make sure y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell.
Dennis boys, y'all, for sure. This how it's
What we gonna
supposed
do?
to be.
We gonna keep
This
we gonna keep running them numbers
keep running
up,
them
man.
numbers up. For sure, man. Them Dennis boys, y'all. That's what we do, man. Family, man. Family over family, man. Take care of your folks and they shall take care of you. That's for sure.
All right, y'all. We signing out. We catch y'all on the next video, man.
Yeah, baby. It's on. Catch me in traffic.